My fellow Zimbabweans, in life, you must take risks, but they must be calculated ones. Tsarabina mashukubra toka pangwa ino nema generals. Pangwa ino zvizinzi, when generals speak, people must listen. Tsarabina mashukubra toka pangwa ino retired lieutenant general, Mr. Skauke Mapranga. Lord will subscribe or icon on the bell icon. Ananda biro chiti, do not be pushed by pressure from people around you. Do it at your preferred time, when the ground is firm and the objective is clear. Yet breeds mistakes. Strategy wins wars, not noise. I hear your voices loud and clear all over Zimbabwe, from the streets of Harare to the villages in Matabeleland, from the farms in Mashonaland to the mines in the Midlands. The cry is the same. I repeat again. At this good Kamboza every we are tired of this endless cycle. People are calling me every day, every hour, asking for the next move, the next step. The pressure is real, but we will not be rushed into reckless action. We do not want mnangagwa to be aware of our plans. Let us remain disciplined, united and silent where it matters. The time will come, but it must be our time, not dictated by emotion or provocation. Stay calm, stay vigilant, stay ready. The future belongs to those who prepare in the shadows and strike with precision. Do mashuano bdayo kapangwa ine anosiasa yana chiti Lieutenant retired Mr. Skauke Mapranga. Do developments are pangwa ino mrezi mafuna comments share of aim to leave from self page to ish. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.